we pull back into that 27, that's a good long. That's something I might take right out the gate, but I really like that 240 around 16. I like that. And that gets us a little bit closer to that 60-minute 9, gets us right there at that pivot. I just don't know if we're going to pull back that far, especially with the way it right under the black magic. Look at that shit. It's right into the freaking trend line.
Order filled.
I'm going to take a crack at this long. Ooh, nice little pop there. Let's go see if we can get through 39 in the next. We're only a minute 35 in, so I'd like to give this a little bit of room.
Order filled.
Take some profits there. This is a black magic from yesterday's high. It's a black magic. So anyway, I'm taking profits there. I got a few bucks out of those. That way, if I get stopped out, this is going to be a win. So we're still in the 15-minute 9. So I got a couple of contracts left on the long side, plus with my stop in place, and I got a quarter size short on here. So just got my stops in place. There it is. Got 5 contracts on the put side. So let's see if we can get a flush down into that 16, right? That's what I'm looking for. It's 60-minute 9. Though there is a few PCHs in between here and there, right? We got 16. Let's go. Break 27 for me. Come on. Then I can stay in this and make some money on the short side too. There we go. I'm taking some profits here for 27. I'm taking profits. I'm not going to add or anything on the puts here. I'm just going to hang on to what I got left. And I'm still, next target is that 60-minute 9. It's right at 16. Ooh, let's go, baby. Finally, we're getting that jump. Come on. Get me back to that 60-minute 9. Come on, give me 16. She had $8 out of those things, man. Nice. So I just took profits again. I'm down to 2 contracts on the put side. One of the guys that we follow, the guys that drive price. There was no one to drive price through 39.39 this morning, right? Those guys need to get their fill, and wherever that is, maybe it's 20, maybe they just got their fill, who knows? But it's usually at, these key levels, 1606, maybe even 3900, maybe even the bot finder 3888. And when it gets bought up early, before we even have a good setup, but I haven't had a chance to get this long on yet. And SPX doesn't give us the setup, right? Pulls right back into 20 and not quite what we're looking for. And it looks like it's going to be gone. Where's another place to get long on this? Like right here would have been a good place to get long at the open of that 5. So I'm just going to wait now. See if we can get over 40. If we can get over 40, I'll start looking at the long. I got about almost 8 points. I got like 2.5 points out of one set of contracts, and I got almost 8 points out of the other ones. I don't even need to take another trade, to be honest. I don't even care what it does at this point, to be honest. But I do want to get one more long. If we break this if we break this 40 area, we're headed to 74, and there's really nothing to stop it. So I'm long, man. Right on that close over, we got the dip right into the 40. I got mine. Yeah, there's really nothing stopping this either to 74. So I mean, there's going to be some 5-minute pullbacks and whatnot, but my target's 74. I take a little bit off so that I can add another strike here. If we do get that pullback, it's at the 5-minute 9 is lining up with it. There we go. Good deal. But anyway, I just added another strike there. Regardless, on the new strike, I'm going to take some profits. At least take a couple off, pay myself. And then maybe one more strike if we get the setup. I don't know. Let's see. $3 out of these things right now. 2 minutes in, 3 minutes in. Come on, man. Give me another $1 or 2 out of these. There you go. I'm tempted just to take everything off right here, man. I got a great day on. And you know what? The best we're going to get out of this is 74. Maybe we could get more out of that, but I wouldn't expect nothing more than 74 until I saw it break. And I'm not doing anything, man. I'm done. This thing couldn't give me enough money to make me want to get back in or even risk anything today. I'm freaking sad.